Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can enable split screen on an iPad. First up, open your iPad here and just need to select the two apps that we want to use. So the first one here, I'm going to open the App Store. And then later is the Apple Music. So open the App Store here. And then here we have two ways on how we can enable the split view. The first one is by tapping the three dots right there at the very top of your screen. Now you have options to split view, slide over. So just tap on split view. And then you just need to select the second app, so which is the Apple Music. So here, as you can see, we just enabled this split view mode. Now the second option, so let's close the Apple Music. Now here, swipe up, and then it will show you some apps, and then open the or drag the Apple Music and drop right here. And then at the top, you'll find three dots again, and an option shows up here. You can split view or slide over. Here in split view, you can select either of two. You're going to select left view. So there you go. We have just enabled the split view mode. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.